what yesterday was? Anyone?
1 year anniversary.
1 year anniversary. We're launching a new website. It's going to have basically all the same product, but it's the functionality, the back end of it is different. We're working with a different, it's going to be a different platform. And so hopefully what we're looking for is that's going to improve our awareness out in the Google sphere, and we're going to end up with better throughput on the website and more action on the website. So I know we had the Christmas party, and it was a great time. I'm already planning for next year's for some improvements, but I just wanted to tell you guys I do appreciate everything that you guys have done this year and continue to do in spite of the obstacles. I'm really looking forward to a great year. So if you guys, again, remember what we talked about. If you have ideas, bring them up, bring them in, and let's look at it. I can't guarantee everything's going to be done, but I'm listening. I'm hearing what you're saying. And at times, it may not be now, but we put it on the list for later. If you see an opportunity where you would like to get some advanced or some different education or training, or would like to be some different roles, take on some different roles in the company, let me know. Let your supervisor know. We will look into that. We will try. I really want opportunities to open up for everyone here. The goal, remember, the goal is growth. And if we can achieve the growth we want to achieve over the next 5 years, there's going to be a lot of room for opportunity for different people to advance in. If it's supervisory roles that you want, if it's technical roles that you want, if you want to move into administrative roles, there'll be roles in all those different areas. But what you're doing right now is the most important thing. I really appreciate what you guys have done. I appreciate you, and I'm looking forward to 2023.